Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can find when you become friends with someone on Facebook. So to see if you have just like become friend, or like let's say you send friend request to somebody and you want to know if they have accepted it or not. In that case, you just need to go on where it says menu at the bottom. Once you're inside menu, scroll all the way down and click on settings and privacy and click on where it says settings. Now from inside settings, scroll all the way down until you see this option called activity log. Once you see it, click on it, and from over here what you want to do is click on where it says connections. Once you click on connections, you want to click on where it says manage friends over here. Once you click on manage friends, all of your newly added or recently added friends are going to be shown over here. So my recently added friend is over here, Abhinav, who accepted my friend request, which was in August 2023. So you can see the notifications over here of your friend request if they have been accepted. So that's how you guys can check if you have become friend with somebody or not on Facebook, by checking your connections inside activity log. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.